What if the prospect says, what makes you different? What can you answer? Or can for example, this one, can I answer with a question like that?
You're thinking on the right lines, which is
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
So the fact that you're thinking about that is great, right?
Okay.
What makes you different is a test, right? It's a test that they're seeing, are you going into sales mode? Are you going into justification? Or are you coming from a place of authority and confidence? They're really just testing your confidence. So if somebody asks you like, oh, so what is it that makes you different from the other companies? Well, to be fair, I don't really know what the other companies do. We just focus on ourselves at the end of the day. Like, was there anything that you was hoping for? Like, there's the thing is, that's the question, but what's behind the question is what I want to understand, right? And that's the thing. When people do ask you a concern, like your rule of thumb as a setter should be if a prospect asks you a question, first of all, seek to understand it. Don't go ahead and just go, oh yeah, but I mean our company's great because we've got this feature, this benefit, this is what it can do for you. The moment the prospect hears that, they're like, oh, there we go, another salesperson. Tick, I'll find another company. Right? So when somebody gives you that question, first understand the meaning, clarify what's behind that. Was there anything you was looking for when you asked that question? Right? And then from there, then you deal with what the real concern is, which could be anything, right? And then from there, you just have an adult conversation about that concern and then move on in your sales process. So, yeah, that's it.